Lion's mane spawn, fully colonized, but stuck together like cement. So we mash, gentle squeeze, break it up. This is what ready actually looks like. Brunhilda delivered. 2.5 liters of water, 2 hours under pressure. That's the formula. No drama, no melted bags, for once. We do not ask questions when she behaves. Now, the trick. Substrate's compacted at the bottom. Don't fight it. Pull the plastic away from the substrate, gently, and you create a little pocket of nothing. That's your runway. Drop the grain spawn straight down into it. No spilling, no contamination from grains sliding down the walls. No rage. The bag does the work for you if you just open it up. Same move, slow version. Squeeze the bag, separate plastic from substrate. You're not ripping it, you're coaxing it, like negotiating with a teenager. Once you've got that gap, you can see straight to the bottom. That's where the spawn goes. Half a jar, straight down. No funnel, no mess, no grains hitting the walls and stopping halfway. Future Ven thanks present Ven. Skip this step, and you'll be shaking that bag for 10 minutes wondering why nothing's reaching the bottom. Don't be that guy. Bag's loaded. Now we seal. Listen carefully. Do not cheap out on your plastic sealer. Uncle Ven cheaped out. Uncle Ven got holes. Holes in the seal mean holes in your timeline. Contamination walks right in, says hi, and ruins 3 weeks of work. A decent sealer is 40, maybe 50 bucks. A bad batch of bags is your sanity. You do the math. Press the bag flat, squeeze the air out, fold the top once, then seal. Double seal if your machine struggles. Mine struggles. Because I'm cheap. Learn from my pain. Save your bags. Save your weekend. Daily rhythm. 4 bags a day, every day. Each one weighs 3.7 kilos. Half a jar of grain spawn per bag. No more, no less. More isn't better. It's just faster contamination. 4 bags, 3.7 kilos. Half a jar. Memorize it. Squeeze. Don't shake. You're pushing the grain to the bottom. Fingers from the outside. Gravity does the rest. Saves you 10 minutes of shaking later. Same move, bigger picture. If you do this properly now, you don't have to touch the bag during incubation. Grain's already distributed. Mycelium spreads evenly. No cold spots. No contamination corners. Every time you shake an incubating bag, you're rolling the dice. Squeeze it properly now. Set it on the shelf. Walk away. That's the dream. Speed equals survival. The faster mycelium colonizes the substrate, the less room contamination has to set up shop. Even distribution, fast colonization. That's the whole game. Trichoderma is waiting. Mold is waiting. Bacteria is waiting. Beat them to the substrate. You win. Lose by a day. They win. No second place in this race. Heavy bags. When you pack 3.7 kilos of substrate, there's almost no empty space left, which means if you skip the squeeze, good luck shaking that brick. The grain physically cannot reach the bottom by gravity alone. Squeezing pushes it through the tight spots, especially the bottom corners, where the substrate's densest and the moisture's highest. Skip this step, those corners colonize last, or never. Finally, the shake. After squeezing, we shake to even everything out. But here's the part nobody tells you. The bottom of the bag is the wettest part. Substrate settles, water settles, gravity wins. Ignore that bottom layer. Congratulations, you've just built a mold spa. Ask me how I know, because that's exactly how I got mold last batch. So when you shake, flip the bag, work the bottom, push grain into that wet zone. Mycelium needs to colonize the wettest spot first, before contamination does. Top, sides, easy. Bottom, hard. Bottom is where bags die. Don't let your bags die. Shake like you mean it. One more warning. When you shake, do not grip the bag where the seal is. The sealed strip is the weakest point, especially if you bought a cheap sealer, like Uncle Ven. You squeeze it there, you twist it there, you're going to tear the seal wide open. 3.7 kilos of substrate on the floor. Ask me how I know. Hold the bag in the middle. Shake from the middle. The seal is for sealing, not for handling. Treat it gently, it'll treat you gently. Next up, Rishi Cleanup Chaos. On your screen.